Your Ontario Road Test Day is finally here. But do you know exactly what to do? Today, I'll walk you through the entire process, so you're fully prepared. Let's go. Before heading out, double-check that you have your original driver's license with you. No photocopies, no pictures, only the real deal. Plan to arrive at least 30 minutes before your test. This gives you enough time to check in and relax before the big moment. You need to provide your car's license plate number, make, model, and color during check-in. If you're borrowing a car, make sure you have these details ready. Every drive test center has a designated parking area for road tests. Make sure you're in the correct spot before checking in. After checking in, you'll be asked to wait in your vehicle. The examiner will come to you when it's time to start. The examiner will do a quick safety check of your car, brake lights, turn signals, and horn. Make sure everything is working before test day. Once the safety check is done, your road test officially starts. Stay calm, follow the rules, and remember everything you've practiced. Good luck. Like and subscribe for more videos.